Hey everybody, Sharjeel here. So you're interested in diving headfirst into the world of crypto mining? Awesome. It can seem complicated, but once you break it down, it's not nearly as scary as people make it out to be. In this video, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started, from picking the right cryptocurrency to choosing the best hardware. We'll even touch on things like mining pools and electricity costs, because you don't want to end up spending more on power than you're making in crypto. So grab your notebooks, fire up those thinking caps, and let's get this crypto mining party started. First things first, you gotta figure out what you want to mine. Bitcoin's the big dog, but it's super competitive and requires serious hardware. Litecoin, Monero, Ravencoin, those are some other popular options. Each one has its own quirks and hardware requirements, so do your homework. It's like picking your character class in an RPG. You gotta pick the one that suits your playstyle. Now for the fun part, hardware. You've got three options: ASIC miners, GPUs, or using your CPU. ASIC miners are purpose-built beasts, super efficient at mining specific cryptocurrencies but can be expensive. GPU mining is more flexible. You basically Frankenstein a bunch of graphics cards together. And then there's CPU mining, which is like trying to run Crysis on a potato. It's possible, but don't expect amazing results. Choose based on your budget and the crypto you want to mine. Each has its pros and cons, so pick wisely. You could try solo mining, but unless you've got a server farm, you're not likely to solve those complex problems solo. That's where mining pools come in. It's like teaming up with other miners to combine your computing power. It's safer, more consistent, and you're more likely to earn some crypto. Some popular options are F2 Pool, Slush Pool, Ethermine. Find one that's active, reliable, and has decent rewards. You've got your hardware, you've picked your pool, now you need the software to tie it all together. This tells your hardware what to do, how to talk to the pool, and how to mine the crypto. For Bitcoin, CG Miner and BFG Miner are popular choices. For GPU mining, NiceHash and Claymore are your friends. Find one that's compatible with your setup and easy to use. You're mining crypto. Awesome. But you need somewhere to store it. That's where your crypto wallet comes in. You've got two main options: software wallets and hardware wallets. Software wallets are like apps on your phone or computer. Exodus and Electrum are good ones. They're convenient but potentially vulnerable to hackers. Hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor store your crypto offline and are more secure. Choose based on your security needs and convenience. Time to fire up the rig and start mining. Point your software at your mining pool, plug in your wallet address and hit go. Keep an eye on your rig. Mining can be demanding on your hardware. Make sure it's not overheating. Find that sweet spot between performance and stability. Mining uses a lot of electricity. Before you think you're going to get rich quick, factor in your electricity costs. Do some math, figure out how much power you're using and how much that's costing you. Otherwise, you might find out that you're actually losing money mining. It might not seem like much, but it adds up. The world of crypto mining is constantly evolving. New hardware comes out, mining algorithms change, and the difficulty fluctuates. You can't just set it and forget it. Stay informed, keep up with the latest news, and be prepared to adapt. Be quick on your feet and ready for anything. So there you have it, guys. Your crash course in crypto mining. It's a wild ride, but it can be super rewarding if you know what you're doing. Do your research, choose your hardware and software carefully, and be prepared to adapt. And most importantly, have fun with it. Crypto mining can be a great way to learn about blockchain technology and maybe even make some money. Good luck and happy mining.